All right, good morning, boys. Today is April 3rd. Very, very emotional day for me, guys. I'm gonna be honest. Should have lost a lot of money, but I got very lucky. I'm gonna say that, and I'll probably be honest. But yeah, no, I'll run you guys through my day. So coming into the day, I wanted to be bullish. We had all this liquidity up here, and I for sure wanted to get to these highs. So, um, market opens right about here, and it instantly starts pumping up. And I knew I wanted it to do that, and so on this fill the fair value gap, I entered. I got wicked out and lost $500, and that was because I was not smart, you guys. This was the 6:30 candle. I knew it was going to be volatile, and I just had a fear of I'm going to miss this trade. I fucked up. I should have been more patient. Um, and yeah, so that put me down 500 on the day. And I knew we wanted to go to the highs after this move. I was like, damn, I think we really want to go to these highs. And so I waited for some form of retracement. I saw us come back down. We inversed. Ooh, we didn't inverse anything. But with this little candle closing above this candle, I entered targeting these highs with my take profit at these highs. So we took profit, broke even, and it ended up stopping us out at break even. And there's a lot of controversy of like people who go break even, but yes, if I didn't go break even, my thing would have stopped. But at the same time, I could have ended up losing money, and I like taking my profit and moving break even. It helps me mentally as well too. So after that, we made like 170, I think. And this is where I fucked up again, you guys. I wanted to make that extra $30 to get another $200 day. And so I tried to scalp. We created this 5-minute gap, and we inversed it, and I entered short. I got a terrible fill. I got basically, like, my fill honestly was like here, you guys. And I had no, like, it was just straight drawdown straight to my stop loss. I should have made my stop loss tighter. But I ended up blowing all that away, and so I was down 100, and then I was really on tilt. And so I entered this trade because we came down, respected this, or we filled this. We inversed this fair value gap, but then also came back, retraced to this little bearish one. Terrible fill again, you guys. And I wanted to write it down to those lows, and I got lucky. We ended up inversing this to kind of secure the move. As you can see, I was definitely nervous with these candles, the way they were closing. So we finally got out of this mess right here. And yeah, ended up writing it down, up $400 on the day. You guys might clown me in the comments. I know. Traded way too many times today. Plus, over risked everything. It was a terrible day. I'm honestly very fortunate to have this green here. So, yeah. Tomorrow, Powell speaks. I don't think I'll trade unless, let's see. The only way I will trade is if I maybe see something before he speaks. But market's probably going to do what it did today before the red news right here. The red news at 7 for me. It was just chopping, and then finally at 7 it had its big wick. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna keep this to myself. I am very proud of myself right now. I'm technically 1 day away from a payout. I know that's still another day, but I'm very proud of myself and where I'm at right now. And so yeah, I also gotta be transparent with you guys. I did lose a trade in the PM yesterday. Um, that's why my balance should be at like 2,100 right now, or like 2,000 something. But I ended up taking a PM trade, de-risked, still lost. Broke my rules again. Done. I'm only gonna be trading from like 6:30 to 7:30 my time. That's kind of the hour that I trade from. And yeah, got to be more strict. I got to hold myself more accountable. And yeah, I'll post tomorrow, even if we don't trade it, to tell you what I guys wanted to do or whatever, what I saw. So I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace.